Good morning, everyone. It's Will. Hopefully, you're having an amazing day today. In this one, we're going to go over BigBear.AI stock. So, we just wrapped up our daily live trading session. This morning, we're up about 5.46%. We'll keep it brief as I'm going to the CES conference this morning. And I'm gone basically most of the day as we're going to Las Vegas here, or we're already in Las Vegas. But we were just wrapping up our daily live trading. We were in BigBear.AI for a trade over on BAIG. We're up about $250 profit over there. We also have a trade going on the data center market, and we were even trading the oil market. We bought Oil U this morning at market open as well. And yeah, portfolio is up about 4.6%. So things are going well. Now let's take a look at BigBear.AI, why we're trading it, why we're bullish. Well, first of all, we see this consolidation over the last month, 2 months through October. You see them find a support here around this $5.25 range. And then there's a resistance up here around $7 a share. And then between those levels, there's also some other levels to watch. And we saw them kind of pull down to this $5.30 level, this support level. And then we saw them kind of reverse recently. And that's why we entered. So we got in round here and we got a 10% gain. You see a 14% gain so far over the last day and a half here, up to $6.15 a share. It's currently at $6.18. Now, the nearest resistance level is going to be right here. It's right around that $6.50. And that would be a 10% gain from where it was starting the day this morning. That's kind of where we're in. And from here, currently it offers about 3%. So, in the short term, there is some resistance here. We may see it get rejected, maybe even sell back down if it can't hold above those levels. Maybe, it pushes up into that range around 650, but still gets rejected. But it's a key level. If we see them break above the 650, the next target is up to 720 or up to that $7 price point, which from here is about a 15% gain from current prices. So that's the short term. So we see the momentum. AI defense spending is increasing, and things are off to a good start. When we're looking at the 1 year, you can kind of take a look back around this time last year. We were watching this stock at $1 a share, and we were entered. We have our long-term positions at $2.80 that we entered right here. And so we've seen a lot of volatility. We've seen it go up to $10 and back down to $2. But then currently, it's holding this $6 range. And if we do see it continue that trend that it's had over the last year, you may be looking at something like this, a continued trend up into these levels of around, $10 a share, which would be, 70% increase from here, a 75% increase. So that's why we're watching. There's a lot of financials to consider as well. Their balance sheet has increased. They've seen more deployments. I just saw some deployments at the airport as well. They're in LAX. They're in Nashville. They're in Denver International Airport. And of course, when defense spending increases, they're going to benefit. Now, there's a few things that they could have risk around. You got that resistance around $6, $6.50, and potentially a government shutdown to just keep in mind. Not 100%, that's a little speculative, but there are some, if you just kind of look at government shutdown potential, you're going to see that. A month out, no one looking to repeat October's historic shutdown. That's something you see. Apparently, Democrats facing pressure to wage new shutdown fight. So Congress potentially is less than a month away from another potential government shutdown. Pressure is mounting on the Democratic leaders to have another slowdown with President Trump over the healthcare costs. So kind of the same deal. And Congress unveiled a $174 billion spending bill to avoid government shutdown by January 30th deadline. So we'll see if that goes through, if that legislation, how that looks. But that's, again, speculative. We don't know. Currently, nearest target, bullish, is up to that $6.50 range, which is a 7% increase, or up to 20%, up to $7 is what we're watching. Now, finally, when you look at the Prophecy app, if we look at the projections from, for example, you got Grok here, OpenAI, and others, bullish over the next month into that 650 range. Nearest support, you could see that around $6 a share. So most AIs are bullish as well. and the target's up to 650. So we'll be watching there throughout the day and into tomorrow as we are trading it currently. And if you want to get your hands on AI software, there are some great opportunities. The first link in the description, we did a full breakdown of this usage of AI for analysis to trade stocks in your portfolio and use models like Grok and OpenAI and Claude and Gemini to do the analysis for you. And so if you'd like to go get that, it's the first link in the description. And then if you'd like a free t-shirt and join our daily live trading like we had this morning and be there as soon as tomorrow at market open, then you can join in the second link in the description. You get my entries, my exits, all of our targets, which we have for the week, including we had some APLD targets for this week, which we're watching. If you'd like to tune on in tomorrow morning at market open, second link below. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing. Look forward to some updates on quantum, as that's why we're here at CES today for a quantum track. And we're going to meet some executives and we'll have some updates for you. So make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.